Oh, oh, what's up, good sirs? How are you guys tonight? Just wanted to bring you in and what I'm doing right now. Check out my beer intake. Not bad, not bad. Now, I gotta tell you, it's probably like -6. Like 6 were from last night. Not that bad. But what up, Pack? I was talking to Pack tonight. Obsessed. What up, Obsessed? And Pop the Trunk Toys. What's up, bro? Fucking, yep, this is what I do. I fucking chill in my garage. I fucking drink a lot of fucking beer. And everybody else is doing their own thing. It's cool. I love it. But as far as like pickups, maybe I would think about first top of my head. If you guys are interested, check out Big Fire Bird Nicee. Obsessed, thank you very much for reminding me that she was available. Well, apparently she just became available on eBay. So, of course, I fucking went and bought a Big Fire Bird Nicee. Little did I know, had I remembered, anyway, I fucking had bought one back in October of 2019. Now, I bought a Big Fire Bird Nicee. Oh, it's hat night tonight. Me and Pack was wearing a hat, so I was wearing a hat. Kato, you wear a hat. You wear hats, so yeah. I'm wearing a hat. I mean, usually, no, that's my hair, fucking whatever. And I wore a hat tonight, but this is my boys' security lock and key here in where I'm from. Look it up. Fuck it. Hey, Lodi, the best lock and key place you could ever come across. No, it's badass. Anyway, getting back to on track. What's up, Jason? Glenn, what's up, Glenn? And Bill, hi, Bill. And Michelle, hi. Anyway, you guys are great. Fantastic fucking company. But Big Firebird Nicee. And so what happened was I did buy one in October 2019 and I put my pre-order in. Well, or already basically in October 2019. But Obsessed told me, oh, check it out. I was thinking of you. And I was like, oh, thanks, bro. So I went to eBay and I bought one. And then I was like, well, forgetting that I got one in October, I didn't remember till later, but I got one and today on eBay. And then I was like, well, I'm going to get a second one. I'm going to go look. And so tfdirect.com, look them up. You can get as many as you want. So the eBay guy I went to, you can only buy one. So I bought one. Then I went to TF Direct and I bought two, only because my buffering was fucked up and I didn't know if I bought it or not. You know what I mean? I'm like, oh shit, it's not coming up that I bought it. So I bought two on TF Direct accidentally, one on eBay and one on TF Direct back in October 2019. I thought that was really good. So now I got 4 Big Firebird RCs. And you can imagine my enthusiasm when I fucking saw this picture. Now, I might edit. I'm already at 3 minutes, 40 seconds. I'm going to keep this down. Looking at the time. You guys, thanks for being out there. Pop the Trunk and Obsessed and Pat, what up, bro? We will fucking chat soon. And I'll throw some couple pictures of Big Firebird Nicee if you guys are interested. Go check her out. Fucking sick. Probably the best RC figure available to mankind as we speak. I will definitely review that figure and see what you guys think about it. I hope she's got great plastic. She looks really good. So, but fuck it. Deuces.